here with you, listening to the rain, smiling just to see the smile.
First of all, Lord, maraming salamat sa lahat, sa gabay, sa biyaya, and for bringing Lovely into my life.
And these are the moments I remember all my life. I found all I've waited for, and I could not ask for more. Looking in your eyes, seeing all I need, exist.
Nagkakilala kami ni Nico 2014 kasi IT siya. So, nasa same floor lang kami. So, as an IT, meron akong mga laptop concerns na siya yung nag-support. So, that's when we started makakilala isa't isa. But that's totally parang work lang. Nagkakasalubong kami sa office, ngitian lang, ganyan.
Not ask for more than this time with you, and every prayer has been answered, and every dream I have come true.
Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang beses kong pinagdasal at tinanong si Lord kung meron pa ba talagang para sa akin. Nung naghiwalay si Jericho Rosales at Kim Jones, sabi ko, ay baka kami talaga ni Eko ang meant to be. Pero sabi ni Lord, Jericho ng Capitol ang para sa'yo at Nico ang pangalan.
Oh, yeah.
So then again, I asked God, Lord, kung sasaktan lang din ako nito in the future, wag na natin ituloy. But still, I trust and believe that nothing is impossible with God. To my surprise, yung unang simba natin, ikaw ang nag-initiate na sumama.
We didn't begin with the perfect story, no grand moment, no fairy tale beginning. We were simply office mates, working in the same building, on the same floor but different departments. Yung dati kong sinusupport every time may tech problem siya sa laptop, yung lagi kong nakakasalubong sa hallway, siya na pala yung babaeng makasama ko habang buhay.
Waited for, yeah. And I could not ask for more. I could not ask for more than this time together. I could not ask for more than this time with you. Every prayer has been answered. Every dream I have come true. Yeah, right here in this moment is right where I'm meant to be.
And to you, my love, I admire you for always supporting your family through good times and bad. Hindi ka sumusuko, hindi ka napapagod magmahal.
More than the love you give me, 'cause it's all I've waited for, and I could not ask for more. Yeah.
Ramirez Nico, wala ka nang kawala kay Lovely Toledo. Looking back, it's funny how our story began in 2014. Back then, you were the IT guy who helped me with a laptop concern, a simple interaction that seemed ordinary at the time, but turned out to be the start of something extraordinary.
Di ba't sinabi sa'yo ipaglalaban ko, tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata, pagmamahal sa'yo.
Today, as we begin this new chapter together, I promise to care and respect you always, to be faithful, honest, and committed to our marriage. I will stand by you just like how you stand by your family, with loyalty, strength, and unconditional love. With all my heart, I love you.
Aaminin sa'yo, ang daming beses na muntik kang sumuko, ngunit nakayanin ko, pagkat walang magganang
Today, We are celebrating our 2nd year anniversary, entering the new chapter of our lives. Yung dating future reference ko lang, ngayon matatawag ko ng husband. Hindi ko may papangako mamahalin kita araw-araw, pero sigurado akong pipiliin kita habang buhay. Happy anniversary, love!
Ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Sabay natin nadadaanan ang lahat, hanggat sa dulo ng ating pagmamahal. Hanggat sa kunin tayo ng may kapal.